Account managers have configuration options available to them via the Titan HST web portal. Here we will review the ways an account manager can manage SOS alert call help emergency numbers, customize new user welcome emails and COVID tracing disclaimers, and even add additional safety status response options. Account managers can configure these site-wide settings from within the configuration section of the Titan HST web portal. Start by selecting the Manage tab located in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click Edit Site and select the Configuration tab. Only account managers will have access to the Configuration tab. To inquire about account manager status, please speak with a Titan HST representative. Once in the Configurations tab, administrators can quickly jump to specific site-wide configuration sections using the menu on the left side of your screen. Choose to enable a series of permissions by checking the box next to each setting. A description of each setting will also be listed. To add additional safety status response options, click the New button and input your additional safety status responses. You may also choose to require location sharing for the specific response. Once finished, select Add. To set the alert type to be used when text to SOS is enabled or panic button is triggered, select an alert type from the drop-down menus. To manage your site's SOS alert call help emergency numbers, select the New button next to the Emergency Numbers option within the Alert section of the Configuration tab. Input a name and phone number and select Add. For the Call Help option to appear when sending an SOS alert, alert types must have the Emergency Call option enabled in the Alert Type settings. You can enable these settings in the Edit Alert Types tab. Choose an alert type to configure and check the box labeled Emergency Call. Then choose Save. Next, you can customize the alert header which appears at the top of the SOS alert screen. If no custom text is added into the SOS header field, the default text will be Select Your Alert. If your site is utilizing COVID-19 contact tracing features, you may customize the disclaimer that users who opt into COVID tracing will see. Input the custom opt-in message under COVID Tracing Disclaimer. Next, you can add a message and change the color of the email footer of notifications sent via email by adding your desired wording into the notification email footer field and clicking on the color swab in the left-hand corner of the editing options. If you wish to add custom CSS or JavaScript to the notification email footer, you can edit HTML directly by selecting the Edit HTML box in the upper right corner. Customize new user welcome emails within the Welcome Email Configuration section of the Configuration tab. Click on the See Preview button to view our standard welcome email. Choose to change the email addresses listed in the Reply To field and shown at the bottom of the new user welcome email by inputting a new address in the Change Support Email Address field. You can edit the introductory paragraph by typing a new one into the Introductory Paragraph field. Change the welcome text color that appears at the top of the email as well as the footer background color by clicking on the colored boxes and selecting your desired color. You may also choose to hide the signature from the email as well as hide the Download the App step from the welcome email by selecting the correlating checkboxes. When finished, remember to click Save Changes.